All right. Here I am with Homie G, the best helper I could ever ask for, and good friend. So we did this panel already. I had to take the wood off, staple it in, stretch it nice and tight as always. Tight's the name of the game. And here's what you get. Here's what you get with a carpenter. Carpenters are good guys, they're just not screen guys. All right, you ready, G? Watch out. Show the folks how I'm going to use my multi-master to cut the nails to take these out. Only the finest tools. Alright, now I'm going to do the bottom plate. Let's show them the bottom plate. There's a nail. That's another nail. Another one. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone around, I cut all the nails, and then these lift off easily without making a mess. Without making too much of a mess, use a little pry bar. Don't mar the wood. There we go. Then we pull the screens off. Work neat, clean up all the mess. Gee, show them how we caulked the edge of this one. We caulked that one back in. Use the caulking gun. White caulk. Alright, that's good. You could end it now. Alright, so there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new panels. Looks gorgeous. Took off the wood battens, put them back in, caulked them. That's what they look like from the outside. Nice high visibility screen, stretched really tight. Looks great. They got a cool setting out back. Nice little barn over there. Okay,